as a souvenir to myself. There was a few days whereby it was really hot, as in the sun was really in my face, and I have some sunspots right here. It was so weird. So I had to buy myself a hat, and this is a UV hat that I can actually fold it up. It's pretty cute actually. I love it so much, and it's a little bit pricey, but yeah, for something that you love, might as well get it. And it protects my face. Another souvenir that I bought for myself is this Japanese bag. It looks so cute. I have another one in pink, but what you're supposed to do is you have to put either one in here, either handle, and then it closes up like that. It's so cute, you know. Oh, how cute is that? And then I did buy a bunch of these. I still have more upstairs. This is a hand warmer. It is not a sticker type. So this one is the one that you just hold in your hand, and then you just keep on pressing it so that, you know, it retains your heat. So nice. The reason why I bought a lot of these is because when you are in the LRT in Malaysia, which is a train, it gets really cold. So I bought a bunch of this because I wanted to use it in the train. I can't stand the cold. It's so cold in the LRT. Each one comes in 10 pieces. I have one in my bag at the moment. I used one recently, so I still have quite a bunch to use. Next things are some household items that I really have to have, because my sister told me about this. She said that this is one of the things that you should watch out for, and I got it in Daiso because, you know, she saw it on a TikTok, that if you want to have ice cream, and that if it's frozen solid, if you use this spoon, you can actually spoon out the ice cream with ease. You don't have to wait until it thaws. You can immediately scoop your ice cream with this spoon. So I bought two of it. I bought a small one that looks like your typical ice cream spoon, and this one that has a flat bottom. So interesting, and I love ice cream so much that I needed to have it. Then I bought a silicone spoon from Daiso. Don't see much of this in Malaysia. Next thing, because I love butter so much, that I needed to have this. It says changes cold hard butter into soft easy to melt butter. Looks like that. So excited to use this. I do have a few more things. I bought this far infrared warm socks. I bought two of it. It's called the Poka Poka Cairo socks, a special material Dyna hot developed by Toray that emits far infrared rays, is needed into it to warm your body from your feet. I have very cold feet. This one is in blue. I have another one in pink that I've used, and it really does warm your feet. I seem to be buying a lot of umbrellas everywhere I go. I bought one umbrella in each country that I went to. This one is from this brand. It's really pretty. My goodness, look at that. And it's UV protected. The price is between 3,000 to 4,000 yen. It was so pretty. I found it randomly at this shop in Harajuku. Ah, so nice. I think you can have a look at the website too. They have a website that has all their designs, all the designs of their umbrellas there. I wish that it was automatic instead of, you know, manual. So that is a bummer, but I still love it. So that's all for my haul. I hope that this has been entertaining And if you want me to review any of the products that you see here, let me know in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed to me just yet, please do so. It will help me a lot in gaining a lot of subscribers, because that will mean that I will help out a lot of people more. And then with the amount of travels that I've done in the past, I think that I will be able to help out by making some travel related videos in the future. That's all for now. Take care, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye. I forgot one more thing that I got from Dean and DeLuca. Oh my goodness, this one I forgot. Oh, they packaged it really well. But I forgot all about it. Oh my god. And also this one, the super strong magnets from Daiso. That one I can't find it in Malaysia anymore. This is eek! I was excited to see Dean and DeLuca. I know there's one in London, but we didn't manage to go to Dean and DeLuca at that point of time. It was just a chance that I saw it, and I bought this small little tumbler. So cute. I have no idea what I'm going to place in it, because this size is really small for me, but I had to have it. I really did have to have it. I don't drink tea, I don't drink coffee, I just drink green tea, but I have no idea what I'm going to use this for, but I just had to have it. It's so cute. So it's so tiny, so cute. Oh, it's so precious.